I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Trae AI IDE on Windows operating system. To get the software in Google search box right there, Trae, then go on this Trae AI site. Then here you have two options. You can use Trae Work or this here or download Trae. So let's click on this download Trae. Then this Trae Work you can get. If you scroll down, then try code you can get there. You can select anyone. Let's use their try code. So Windows 64, you need to click here. So now you can see the software is currently downloading. The total size 322 MB. You can see try setup exe file that's downloaded. Simply you need to click on this exe file. Now you can see installation wizard that's come there. Click on this I accept. Click on next, 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 install. So this here try user currently this is installing, extracting the files. In the try setup wizard, if you want, then you can launch from here. Let's click on finish. Click on this trouble on this try icon. Now this come there. Let's click on this allow. Get started. You can select the themes. Click on continue. This let's do the skip. Continue. Escape. Personal use or let's do the escape. So this here try is now opening. So first we need to create our open folder. So this is doing some, okay, let's close this. So here, clicking open folder on this desktop, Sony app is there, select this. Trust. And if I double click on this, so print hello world. By the help of this code, we can print there hello world using Python. So let's go on this run. So here, run task. So we need to install their package Python. So Python selecting there. So MS Python. This come from. Let's click on this. Download. Sorry, install. So this Python extension is now currently installing. After that, you can run this code. This Python package that install successfully. Thereafter, let's go back. Here, right click, then you can get this run Python. So run Python file in terminal. So you can see hello world that's the display. Let's do some changes. Control S to save. So if I go run terminal, run task, there, Python option that's come there. Select this. Okay. Or this, you need to right click then here. Run interactive, run Pythons. Then after click this, then you can get the out. So this is how we can do the installation of Trae, run the Python code. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.